I've filmed and edited over 200 videos over the last 4 years for myself and for brands. And here's the truth for us small creators. 99% of us don't earn money from just uploading our videos. You can have the best content with the best presenting, but if you're waiting for ad revenue to save you, you'll be waiting a long time. So instead, let me show you how you can make money with content creation, even with no views, and even if you're a beginner. It only really takes a slight reframe on how you make videos and who you reach. Most of us, when we start content creation, we really try to gun for the algorithm. Whether that's on Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok, we just want to hit the perfect spot and blow up. We chase trends, likes, views, but even if these did take off, it doesn't really lead anywhere and it doesn't really put money in your pocket. What if instead you made videos with an end purpose? Something that can earn you loads of money on your content even if it flops. So how can you go about doing this? You have to switch your mindset from I just want to go viral, get noticed, get 1 million followers, because you're going to have to hit the absolute heights to earn a stable and great income from that. And for most of us, we're not going to get that lottery ticket, at least not for another decade. To make this much more lucrative, lower down the chain, start thinking about your content as the start of a sales funnel. Every post you make should kind of point towards your skill, your offer, and your service. And if you don't know what this is yet, ask yourself, what do I actually enjoy doing? What could I do and talk about for years and years and years, and I would never get bored? What am I already skilled at from either my life experience or just my experience making content? And how can I help other people or businesses doing that? Then your job on your content is to attract those types of people that would want whatever you're offering. Because then you could get 200 views on a YouTube video, a TikTok, or a reel, and that ideal person clicks on your bio, gets in contact with you, and you make hundreds of pounds from it. Whereas if you were just going for views and going for the stardom, you'd have to get a stupid amount of views to get monetized on YouTube. Not too sure how it works on TikTok, but it isn't a stable way to make money doing this early on. But you really have to make sure that you're honing in on this specific targeting, because approaching content creation like this can be incredibly effective if you do it right. The more you make content targeted at a specific type of person, let's just say it's dog owners, the more the algorithm is going to learn that that's who you're targeting and that's who likes your videos. So it will start putting you in front of more and more of those people, therefore building business for you without you even having to touch it. And this is how loads of small creators start bringing in a really good income from having 200 views a video or like under 1,000 followers or subscribers. They don't need to blow up and be on TV because they're set. Then once you start to build this audience more and more, you can use even more techniques to convert better and to bring in more business from your views. For example, one technique that worked for me effectively was having a freebie, which is basically a lead magnet, which is free value that your viewer gets from you in exchange for their email. For example, on this channel right here, it was my free creator kit. I'd slip it in between value in videos, giving the viewer free script templates, free overlays, and a checklist for their YouTube videos. This not only built the relationship between me and those viewers, but it also allowed me to do the next technique, start a mailing list, where people who downloaded these creator kits and also just signed up to my mailing list straight up, I can start sending them more free value and build up that list, which I can then integrate products and services to. This helps you improve the relationship and be more connected with your viewers, and also boost business too. And if your content goes really well and you build up a list of hundreds and thousands, this is where big creators like Alex Hormozi could just shoot an email out of his new book and get loads of revenue and sales from it instantly. It also means if TikTok, YouTube, or wherever you're building from shuts down, you have your audience still there. Now, once you've nailed down who you're targeting with your content and which type of viewer would want whatever you're offering, then you can start to add in different call to actions and revenue streams into this. Digital products is one loads of people use, where you offer a value-packed product, ebook, and something that's really going to benefit your viewer. So if they don't want to commit and go straight into a big offer with you, you can still get some sales from there. And if you're this far into the video and you still don't really know what you want to do yet, which is completely fair, Another way you can earn money from content creation fairly early on if you build in this niche way is through sponsorships and affiliate links. Because many companies will come to you, see that you're bringing in a certain type of audience and think this is perfect to put my product on. So what I want you to take from this video is that your content creation goals shouldn't be solely focused around views and getting revenue from just going viral. Because yes, there is a possibility it could happen, but you might be waiting for 5-10 years, when actually you could be building the foundations of something now and getting paid well for it. The key thing is just to find something you love doing and make a business around it and focus your content around it. If you want to see how I personally turned my YouTube skills into a business and finally started earning some money from making content 4 years in, watch this video right here and I'll show you exactly how I did it and how you could maybe do the same. And hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed.